Hello guys, Off Random here, and today we are gonna tier rank famous snack items like Lay's, Cheetos, as you can see in the screen. All these are my favorite items, so it will be difficult for me to actually rank them, but I have a few in my mind. So let's get to it. So, first item is corn puff. This is the best and easy. Uh, this is S tier for me, guys. This is actually S tier for me because I basically used to eat this every day in my childhood, and this was literally the best. Okay, next one. Moving on to the second one, cheese balls. Okay, I'm not a big fan of those. I used to eat them, but I'm like, so I will give this a C. Yeah, I'll give this a C. Next item is Peppy. Yes, I love this. But still, it's not S worthy. S is like the best. So I can't give this the best, but yes, it's good. It's really nice. I'm gonna give it a B. Yes, I'm gonna give it a B. Then next is Cheetos, orange. Okay, orange is kind of okay. The green ones are the best in Cheetos. Tell me if I'm wrong. Orange are still good for people who don't like that much of spice. I will give this an A. Yes, A. Like everything is going one like S A B C, but like I'm not like meaning to, like I don't have the intent to do that, but it's just happening. Okay, next, blue lace. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of those. I don't like too much of spice in my snacks. I like it to be like a little, how do I say, it should not be very, it should not have too much of spice, too much of salt. It needs to have a flavor in it, and I really don't like blue lace, but it's really famous. I think for me personally, blue lace is D. For me personally, blue lace is D. Orange lace, next one. Okay, orange lace is crazy. Like it's one of the best flavors according to me in like these snacks. It's the best flavor in snacks, and orange lace should go in S tier. It deserves S, guys. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Orange lace has a flavor to it. It has a little spice to it and proper salt, which is like just perfect. Next, green chutney style kurkure. Okay, no, not a big fan of those. I will give it a D. I don't like, I don't like that flavor itself. Like I don't like that chutney flavor in lace. Like ah. Okay. Next is aloo bhujia, Haldiram's. Oh my god, man, this is crazy, but it doesn't go S. Going to S is difficult, guys. It's not S, but it's A for me. It's A. Doritos, the red one, the cheese flavor. Yes, I love those. I have those, but I used to have it. I don't have it now. So yeah, it's not a great snack item for me. But if like we are in a family and someone opens it, I'll just have it. But I think it's really, it's good. The flavor is good, so I'm gonna give it an A. Doritos, sweet chili flavor, the best. I love those. Okay, one second. I think I wanna change the Doritos to B. Yeah, B. Doritos, next one. Doritos, sweet chili flavor, purple. Oh my god, this is so good, guys. Like, I just can't explain the love for them, man. A tier. Lay's classic salted. No, easy no. Easy D. It's easy D. Picnic is okay. Yeah, I didn't explain you why I put it in the D so easily. Classic salted, guys. Like in anything, like for me, if I have any snack item, there should be at least some flavor to it. I don't want like a normal bland chips just with salt. Like I do not like flavors like that. For me, basically in chips or snacks, it needs to have flavor, but it should not have too much masala in it, like too much of like the spices. It should not have too much of spices. It needs to have a flavor, and it should not be bland. It should be in the middle. So that's what I like. Next, moving on to the next one, picnic. Oh my god, these remind me, these go way back, guys. Picnic. Oh my god, crazy guys. 8 year. Next one, Kurkure Masala Munch. Okay, yeah, this is the one snack. This is the one item where there is like too much of masala in it and spices in it, but I like it. And I just don't know why, because like it doesn't have too much of spice, but at the same time it's balanced. The flavor is balanced, and that's what I like about it. So I think Kurkure has to go for B tier. No, I think C tier. C tier. Yeah. Cheetos, green ones. Crazy guys. This I used to get like 10 or 20 packets at once. Me and my sister used to have it crazily. Like we used to get this big white cover, and we used to get like 20-25 packets, and we used to actually divide that 10 for you, 10 for me. We actually used to do that, and it was crazy guys. Like green Cheetos is like one of the best snacks I've had in my life. It's like the best. Next, puffcorn. Okay, yeah, this is actually good. I like the concept of puffcorn. The flavor is also good, but it will go for B rank. Guys, if you didn't have this murmure, oh my god, it's the most crazy snack of all time. It's the most crazy snack of all time. Murmure, my grandmother used to get them a lot from this place called Saukarpet, and it's crazy guys. Like if you have one, you just want to have more and more and more, and the flavor is like it will have masala in it. It's like a proper it doesn't have too much spice in it. It has normal spice with a little more salt in it, and sweetness, a little sweetness. The flavor is crazy guys. This deserves A. Actually, you know what? Murmure goes to S. And maybe I will bring down. What can I bring down? Guys, those are OG snacks. It's like they just remain in S. Like it's so difficult to rank snack items. Everything hits so different. I mean, everything has different flavors, and just like it's made different. So it's so difficult to rank the snack items. Next, pizza flavored chips. Oh my god, these are so crazy guys. Like if you have not had them, please go to the supermarket store. If you're in India, then you'll just get in supermarket store. If you're out of India, check in Amazon, somewhere online. Oh my god, man, these are crazy. These are from a company called Meow Meow, I think Meow Meow. It's crazy. Crazy, man. The snack is crazy. Obviously, yeah, I was just keeping it there to talk to you guys, but it doesn't belong in D. It belongs in A tier. Yeah, it belongs in A tier. Yes, so that's it. It finished so fast, just like that. And like putting them and ranking them just took me back to my childhood of how crazy I was with all these packet items. There was one other snack which I want to name, which is I think banned right now or the company closed down because of some issue. It was called Rip and Lip. Guys, that snack was so crazy. The blue color ones hit different. I searched for the photos, but I didn't get a proper one. It was crazy, guys. That flavor was crazy, and we used to like go to school, and while coming back outside a store used to have loads and loads of those, and we used to buy and eat that a lot. That was crazy. Isn't munching favorite for all of us? And just like you saw me do it, it's just so difficult to rank them. Comment your STO snack items and I'll be reading and replying to all of them. And let's see how difficult it is for you guys. And let's see how different the answers are. So, till the next time, off random is out. Bye.